The U.S. seeing a record number of deaths for 2 consecutive days, 3,903 deaths reported on December 30th, according to the COVID Tracking Project. Hospitals in Los Angeles County overwhelmed. Every 10 minutes, the county's public health department tweeting about a life lost to the virus.
We have reached the terrible milestone of exceeding 10,000 deaths from COVID-19 in LA County.
In Anniston, Alabama, officials at the regional medical center say they've run out of beds.
When we did all these models and thought about planning how to take care of these patients, we were under the assumption that people would actually listen to us and say, hey, wear a mask, social distance, you got to do it right because we eventually will run out of beds.
The Trump administration had promised 20 million vaccinations by the end of the year, but so far only 14 million doses have been delivered and fewer than 3 million have been administered.
What people should be most excited about is that the curve is rapidly increasing in terms of number of people being vaccinated.
Traffic backed up for miles in Hamilton County, Tennessee, after vaccine eligibility was expanded to those 75 and older. Senior citizens in Florida waiting in long lines as well. In Wisconsin, Aurora Medical Center fired an employee who admitted to intentionally ruining more than 500 doses of the vaccine by taking them out of special refrigeration. Both the FBI and FDA are now investigating. Overseas, 40 million people in Great Britain are under harsh restrictions. All non-essential businesses closed. New Year's celebrations essentially canceled. But in the original epicenter of the pandemic, Wuhan, China, a city completely locked down at the beginning of 2020, life seemingly returning to normal as the year comes to an end. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.